Understanding Restoration Vision. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, restoration vision. This phrase might sound complex at first, but fear not. We're here to break it down for you, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Restoration vision combines two powerful words, restoration and vision. Restoration refers to the act of returning something to its original condition by repairing it, cleaning it, or rebuilding it. It's all about bringing something back to its former glory or condition after it's been damaged or diminished in some way. Vision refers to the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination or wisdom. It's about seeing beyond the present moment, often involving foresight or ambition. When combined, restoration vision refers to a forward-thinking approach or plan aimed at bringing something back to its optimal state. It's about having a clear goal of rejuvenation or revival, whether that's in the context of physical objects, environments, or even societal and personal improvement projects. To help you understand restoration vision further, let's look at a few examples. Environmental restoration. An environmental group might have a restoration vision for a polluted river. Their vision could involve cleaning the water, reintroducing native species, and ensuring the river's ecosystem is restored to its natural state. Historical buildings. A city might have a restoration vision for historical buildings that are in disrepair. This vision would focus on repairing and preserving the building's original architecture, ensuring they remain a valuable part of the city's heritage. Personal goals. On a personal level, someone might have a restoration vision for their own life. This could involve setting goals to improve their health, mend relationships, or achieve personal milestones that align with their idea of a fulfilling life. Understanding and using the phrase, restoration vision, can be incredibly powerful. It represents more than just the idea of fixing what's broken. It's about proactive improvement and aiming for a better future. Whether discussing environmental projects, cultural preservation, or personal development, having a restoration vision signifies hope, ambition, and the drive to improve. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of restoration vision. It's a phrase that embodies optimism, forward thinking, and the desire to bring positive change. Whether you're discussing large-scale projects or personal goals, remember that having a vision for restoration is the first step towards making meaningful progress. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to incorporate this powerful concept into your own language and life.